For the best experience, please turn on subtitles while watching this video so you can easily follow the AI resources and prompt text shared throughout. If you'd like to copy the names of the AI tools and the text of the prompts featured in this video, just click the Show Transcript button below the video description and copy whatever you need from there. Starting a home inspection business can be a rewarding way to earn income while helping homeowners, buyers, and real estate professionals ensure that properties are in good condition. With the help of free AI tools, launching this business becomes much more manageable, cost-effective, and efficient. Below is a step-by-step guide on how to start your home inspection business using free AI tools for planning, branding, marketing, operations, and client management. Step 1. Understand the home inspection industry. Before launching your business, you must understand the services involved. Home inspectors evaluate properties for safety, structural integrity, and compliance with local codes. You need to be familiar with roofing, HVAC, plumbing, electrical systems, and foundations. Many states require home inspectors to be licensed, so you must research your state's licensing and certification requirements. You can use ChatGPT to learn about your state's regulations. Example prompt: what are the licensing and certification requirements to become a home inspector in your state? Step 2. Create a business plan using AI. Every successful business starts with a plan. Your business plan should include your mission, services, target audience, market research, competitive analysis, pricing strategy, operations, and financial projections. ChatGPT can draft a business plan for you quickly and free. Example prompt: create a business plan for a home inspection business in city, state, targeting first-time home buyers and real estate agents. Include market analysis, services offered, pricing strategy, and startup costs. Additionally, you can use Notion AI to organize and outline your business strategy. It allows you to collaborate, set timelines, and track your progress using templates and boards. Step 3. Choose a name and design your brand. Your business name and brand will impact how clients perceive your professionalism and credibility. Use AI power name generators like Namalix to brainstorm unique, professional-sounding names based on keywords such as home, inspection, safe, and property. Then, use Canva's free AI design tools to create a logo, business cards, and social media banners. Canva's magic design can turn your ideas into polished visuals. You can also ask ChatGPT to help craft a branding guide. Example prompt: suggest a professional brand name and slogan for a home inspection company. Include a color scheme and font style suitable for trust and reliability. Step 4. Register your business and obtain licensing. Register your business with your state and obtain an EIN number from the IRS, free online. If required in your state, complete a certified home inspection course and pass the licensing exam. Websites like Internachi and AHIT offer online training. Use ChatGPT to help you make a checklist. Prompt: create a checklist of all the licenses, permits, and certifications I need to start a home inspection business in your state. Step 5. Build a website using free AI tools. Your website is your digital storefront. Use AI-driven website builders like Wix or Durable.co, which offer free plans and automatically generate professional websites with simple input. These tools can write content, organize services, and even add booking forms. You can also use ChatGPT to generate copy for your website. Prompt: write the homepage content for a home inspection business in city, targeting home buyers and real estate agents. Emphasize trust, accuracy, and professionalism. Step 6. Set up business tools and operations. Use Google Workspace to set up a business email, manage calendar bookings, and organize client communications. AI tools like Tidio or MiniChat can provide automated customer support on your website. Create home inspection report templates using Google Docs and AI text generators. Prompt to ChatGPT: create a sample home inspection report template that includes sections for roofing, HVAC, plumbing, foundation, and safety concerns. Use free project management tools like Trello or ClickUp to schedule inspections, track tasks, and keep client records organized. Step 7. Develop your marketing strategy using AI. Marketing is essential to attract clients and grow your business. Use ChatGPT to develop a full marketing strategy. Prompt: create a marketing plan for a new home inspection business targeting homeowners, home buyers, and real estate agents in city. Include social media, local SEO, partnerships, and referral strategies. Use Canva's AI to create eye-catching flyers, infographics, and social media posts. Schedule your posts using Buffer's free plan to maintain consistent outreach. For content marketing, ask ChatGPT to write blog posts or email newsletters. Prompt: write a 600-word blog post titled Top 10 Things to Know Before a Home Inspection for a home inspection company's website. Step 8. Network and establish referral partnerships. Forming relationships with real estate agents, brokers, and mortgage professionals is key to building your referral base. Attend open houses, join local business chambers, and connect on LinkedIn. Use ChatGPT to draft outreach messages. Prompt: write a professional email introducing my home inspection services to local real estate agents. Highlight reliability, flexible scheduling, and fast report turnaround. Step 9. Practice and refine your inspection process. Before working with paying clients, conduct mock inspections on friends' or family members' homes. Use your AI-generated templates to write practice reports and get feedback. Refine your process with AI checklists. Prompt: create a detailed home inspection checklist with over 50 items to review during an on-site visit. Record yourself performing mock inspections and use free AI transcription tools like Otter.ai to review what you said and improve your presentation. Step 10. Launch and manage your business. Once your brand, website, tools, and licensing are in place, launch your services. Offer promotional pricing to attract your first clients and ask them to leave Google reviews. Set up Google Business Profile to appear in local search. Use ChatGPT to optimize your listing. Prompt: write a Google business description for a home inspection company in city that focuses on quality, affordability, and quick turnaround. Use Google Sheets or Notion to track earnings, expenses, and customer data. You can also use free CRM tools like HubSpot to manage client interactions and referrals. Conclusion: starting a home inspection business is now more achievable than ever thanks to free AI tools that help with everything from planning to marketing and operations. With strategic use of ChatGPT for writing, Canva for design, Wix for websites, and Google Workspace for communications, you can launch professionally without high upfront costs. The key to success is consistent learning, relationship building, and delivering trustworthy inspection services. That wraps up the video. Thanks for watching. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe so you won't miss future content.